Are you still shooting unsteady videos with your phone? Capture smooth and steady cinematic videos at a breeze with Rigiet. Simply slide in your phone or GoPro and turn it on, and all the creation is at your fingertips. For many stabilizers, it is impossible to record videos using the underslung position without rotating to portrait mode. Rigiet is the only stabilizer that can continue to record the video in this position. With its easy-to-use control panel, you can easily switch between photos and video mode, front and rear camera, and zoom in and out. Rigiet can also charge your phone, or even better, plug a power bank so you can charge Rigiet and your phone simultaneously, so that you can use our app to live stream all day. Within the Rigiet app, we've built an auto track function. Simply drag any object on the screen and Rigiet will take over. Create amazing slow motion and time-lapse videos. Shoot amazing panorama photos with Rigiet. With a total of 3 different panorama modes, you can even shoot better photos than any other stabilizer you had. Rigiet is the most advanced stabilizer to capture your life.